Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Engineer. Today our topic is first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics is a version of law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that the total energy of an isolated system is constant. That is, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. For example, consider engine accelerate car, turning chemical energy into kinetic energy. But when you hit the brake on your car, it goes from moving to stopped. From the outside, it looked like that the kinetic energy of your car is became zero or destroyed. But it still exists. Your car was stopped by brake pad. The resulting friction causes the brake rotor pads and air around them to heat up. If you measure everything very carefully, you would find that the increase in thermal energy was exactly the same as the decrease in kinetic energy. So we can say that energy is conserved. Now let's apply this law in a closed system, such as slider crank arrangement. Consider gas inside the cylinder as a system. We see that the system works in a cycle where first gas is compressed and then expanded. During compression, the work is done on the gas by the piston. This heats the gas inside the system. But in expansion, the work is done by the gas on the piston. This releases the heat from the system. When we analyze the net heat transfer and the net work transfer to the gas, we observe that they are equal. This explains the first law of thermodynamics for closed system for undergoing a cycle. Thus, the first law of thermodynamics for a closed system states that in a closed system which undergoes a cycle, the net heat transfer is equal to the net work transfer. Mathematically, the first law for the closed system is expressed as sigma q is equal to sigma w, where sigma q is a net heat transfer to the system and sigma w is a net work transfer to the system. Hope you understand the first law of thermodynamics. Then like, share and comment on video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.